What was your most awkward sexual experience? My first, and last, Tinder date, circa 2014. Met her at a bar. She's cute and kind of awkward and dorky, which I like. We have nice but very light conversation. Nothing went very deep before the subject was changed. I see it's not really going anywhere and we don't have much chemistry. After an hour or so I pay for drinks and go to say goodnight, and she asks me back to her place. Sure, I guess. Then she asks me, in all seriousness, if I'm planning on killing her. I explained to her that I am not. Although that was weird, I still follow her back to her house. We sit in her living room drinking red wine and listening to indie music. It's kind of nice, and we get cuddly. She then mentions she has a flight early in the morning for a family vacation with her parents and siblings, which I take as a hint. She then spills a huge glass of red wine on her white carpet and spends the next 20 minutes frantically trying to clean it up. It leaves a decent stain. I'm ready to leave at this point, but she apologizes and asks me to stay the night. My instincts were screaming no, but my curiosity said we gotta see where this goes. We go up to her room and get in her bed, clothed. She says okay good night and turns off the light. I'm so confused at this point I just lay there in the dark like what the F even is this? She then says I'm sorry we're not having sex. I feel like I'm leading you on.